Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Circle app is updated and you're signed in, because search behavior depends on the latest indexer. Once done, identify the S25 identifier or folder name so your query is precise. Next, enable Only Way mode in Settings right arrow search preferences. This restricts results to S25 specific indexes and reduces noise. You do this now to avoid wasted queries. Make sure indexing has finished. If not, allow it to You open the Search tab and toggle Only Way to On, which forces the engine to use the S25 index. Then type the exact S25 ID or wrap the phrase in quotes for exact matches, because precision cuts down false positives. After that, apply filters, date range, content type, and owner to narrow the set. If results are many, refine with minus terms to exclude irrelevant hits. Remember, incremental refinement is faster than broad rescans. You finish by reviewing top matches and opening previews to confirm the S25 context. This prevents false positives from similar names. Once confirmed, save the query as a quick search or export results for later use, because repetition saves time. If you see no results, make sure Only Way's permission scope includes the S25 source and trigger a reindex. As a troubleshooting tip, reindexing usually resolves missing items. Run it, and then rerun the exact quoted query to validate success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.